Kung may hinala ka na multiple marriages, may isang document na sobrang practical. PSA Advisory on Marriages. Bakit? Kasi it can help show kung ilang marriages ang naka-record sa PSA under a person's name. But here's the trap. Kung may alias, different spelling, or late registration, baka hindi lumabas agad. Kaya kailangan mo ring i-prepare ang IDs, birth certificate at records na nagle-link sa identities. Pag maayos ang documents mo, mas mabilis ang assessment at mas malinaw ang filing strategy. Anong gagawin mo? Isulat lahat ng name variations at birthdays na ginamit sa records, then request PSA documents gamit ang pinaka-consistent na details. Para sa mas malinaw na filing strategy, siguraduhin tama ang iyong PSA documents. For more legal tips, follow Lawyer Philippines by FCB Law Office on Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. For legal services, email us at admin@lawyerphilippines.org.